Hey everyone, today we're chatting about these mandarins here. They look super real and are part of my shop's basic stock. If you want to know how I got these colors, I can show you the failed mandarins. They're my experiments. 12 mandarins that absolutely don't look natural in some way or another. In their thickness or color, honestly, getting the perfect realistic mandarin wasn't easy. I had to work a lot, experiment, and to get the most authentic color, I use roughly. A kilo and a half of base dyes and most crucially my time, meaning to get this color right. I spent some of my day. That's to fill everything, count the dyes, and figure the technique I needed to use. So, yeah, to avoid wasting your time and money. To avoid these experiments, you can opt for what suits you: club, course, or masterclass. Speaking of the course, I'll chat about that later. It'll probably start in October. From October 1st, but pre-orders will be available soon, where I'll explain how I got this really realistic mandarin color. So yeah, pick what suits you, learn and save your resources.